Hello guys, today I gonna unbox my Parker, my Parker Vector Metallics, and you can see it's a Parker stainless steel series, the Parker Vector Steel 40 pin, and that is F fine nib, and it's a fountain pin, and you can see it bottom brought in India and Nepal by Luxor. Here also the same Parker, and these are all the instructions, and those three are same but they are translated. The GB in Germany and the F is Finch, and they don't know about E. And yeah, it says to use use its aesthetic Parker inks to refill your Parker products. Okay, and the net quality, one fountain pen with ink converter, maximum retail price $5.25. Okay, and we just cut open this box. I think it was ripped out. Okay, and I'm just pausing. And this what came out. This and this is the Parker Vector full steel pen, and you can see here the logo of Parker, and you can attach two cartridges in this box. Okay, and I got a Parker Quink ink bottle, and you can see it's not focusing. Parker established in 1888, and this is a Quink, the Parker Quink, and this cost rupees 60. Okay, and we just open this. Alright. And yeah guys, I opened it, and this is the Parker Quink ink. The Parker. Can we just open this pen? Okay, so this is the pen, the Parker Vector full steel pen. And if you see the top of the pen, on the bottom there are no trademarks, and this pen is full and fully steel except the top of the cap and the bottom of the barrel. And in the cap you can see the logo of Parker, it's there. Can we just open this pen? Inside you can see the nib, the logo of Parker is there, and it's F fan nib. And this pen comes with a piston converter. Okay, and I'm just filling this pen with the Quink ink. Yeah guys, and I fill it up. Can we just now open this pen? My camera is not focusing very well, but please bear with me. Yeah, and this is the piston converter. Seeing the piston converter, the logo of Parker is there. Okay, and we just close the pen, and it is just how the pen writes. And yeah guys, I got a copy here, and it just out. And this pen has a very slim body, Can we just see the line variation? You can see this pen is not so noisy. There is a very little sound of feedback sound, which is kind of what happens in folded pens. Okay, and this pen is so cool. And this pen, the Parker Vector Steel, is can be sold. It can sell in the whole world, except the of metal and the of plastic version. The full plastic version is also available in the whole world. And this pen is a lot smoother. And if you start writing with this fountain pen, just again and again you write, because it's a lot smoother. And if you buy this pen, you will love the lighting. You will love the writing with this fountain pen. And thanks for watching the video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.